Hi guys, today is another episode of Beauty Battle. My name is Lacey Elizabeth and welcome back to my channel. So, before I get started, guys, my giveaway, it is huge. So if you guys want to take part in the giveaway, all you have to do is click right there. You need to be subscribed to my channel and click right there. And definitely follow me on Instagram, and down there, leave me a comment. And I'll be picking a winner at the end of September. Okay, in today's beauty battle, we are battling it out. I'm taking this Kevyn Aucoin highly talked about concealer, this one right here. This is the Sensual Skin Enhancer by Kevyn Aucoin. And I'm taking this It Cosmetic by Under Eye. This is my ride or die. I love this. This is full coverage. This does everything for me. This erases me. It does everything but clean my walk-in closet. I love this. This is amazing. This is highly talked about and I have been on the fence about it. You know what? We're gonna try this. We're gonna put it to the test and I'm gonna show you guys how it compares. Okay guys, so this is my It Cosmetics by Under Eye Concealer. This is full coverage. This I love, like I absolutely love this. Now, this one, obviously I've unboxed it, I've used it before. This has a little squeeze cap. It has a cap and a squeeze thing. You know what I'm going, yeah. So this has the little cap where you squeeze it out right here, and I usually take my MAC palette right here and I will squeeze just like a little pea-sized amount. That's actually probably a lot since I'm only doing one eye, but that's okay. And this one right here, the Kevyn Aucoin, obviously we're going to do an unboxing of this one right now. I'm super excited. So this one is plastic and it's got the little logo on it. It's really, really cute. It's got a screw top lid on it. Oh, okay, that's it. That's the product right there. So with this particular product, I'm gonna actually go in with a concealer brush to apply that to my face, and then I will stamp it out using my beauty sponge that I've already dampened. So I have it on my palette. I'm gonna go in with the tip of my beauty sponge. I'm gonna pick some up on my tip, just like I have there, and I'm just gonna go in and apply that under my under eye. That's basically what I do. Sometimes I come down the side of my nose and wherever I might need a little bit of extra concealing. So I'm just gonna go ahead, tap that out, and I'll be right back. See, that's brightening. That gives me that full coverage that I'm looking for. I love that. So that's the It Cosmetics concealer. I'm now gonna go in with my Makeup by Mario concealing brush. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of that product. Ooh, okay, that's a lot. That's actually very, very creamy when I thought it would be harder based considering it's in a pot. But that is actually quite, here, let me just tap into this and show you guys. Like it just, you know, that's a lot of product right there. But that's actually very, very creamy. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that product off onto my palette. Okay. It's a lot creamier than I thought it would be. I'm shook actually. So I'm gonna go ahead in and I'm going to just apply this under my eye like I would with my concealer. And then I'll tap it out with my sponge. I'm just applying some to my nose. Actually, I have that red spot right there, so we're just gonna add a little bit right there. Add any extra to my chin. I'm gonna go back in with that same blending sponge and tap that out. That is very, very pretty. I like both of them. Like this is giving me very soft. Like the Kevyn Aucoin is giving me very soft, very canceled, very concealed, very glowy, very light, like brightening compared to the It Cosmetics. So I can see why everyone's raving about it. I absolutely love it. So I think I have a new favorite. Like I like that. It spot conceals beautifully. Okay guys, so I went in to powder my face, and you know what? I just kind of kept going because this is amazing. I love these two concealers. Like, okay, It Cosmetics, this one right here, like this is my ride or die. You guys see me talk about this all the time. I love this, but Kevyn, honey, you are like giving me everything and more. Like, I love this. Like, this is amazing. This little guy right here. I mean, this is extra. Like, this is so good. I love this. So, okay, beauty battle. Who took it? Kevyn. Like, okay. This is hard for me. So I paired the two of them because I love, love, love the It Cosmetics. You know, it's my ride or die concealer. You know what? I think Kevyn's gonna take it. I love this. You guys tell me what you think. Comment down below. Sound off. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Comment down below on this. This is amazing. This is giving me everything. I love it. I want to know what you guys think. Can you guys tell a difference? Remember, if you guys want to be entered in my giveaway, all you need to do is be subscribed to the channel, so click right there. And you need to be following me on Instagram, so click right there. And then comment down below, and that's it. You're entered. I will be picking a winner at the end of September. So, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Remember, live, love, lip gloss. Bye, guys.